Have you ever bitten into a bell pepper only to feel a little unexpected heat? Or maybe you saved seeds from your favorite pepper plant, only to grow something completely different the next season? It might be the sneaky work of cross-pollination, and if you're growing multiple types of peppers, especially hot ones, you need to know how this works. In this video, we're breaking down how hot peppers can cross-pollinate, what it means for your garden, and how to avoid those spicy surprises when saving seeds. What is cross-pollination? Cross-pollination happens when pollen from one plant fertilizes the flower of a different plant variety, usually via bees, wind, or even gardeners brushing up against the blooms. Peppers especially are self-pollinating, but they're not immune to cross-pollination. All it takes is one bee visiting both a jalapeno and a bell pepper in your garden, and suddenly, your next generation sweet peppers might pack a punch. This won't affect the pepper you eat this season, but it will affect the seeds you save and plant next year. When cross-pollination matters. Here's the important part. Cross-pollination won't change this season's fruit. If your sweet bell pepper tastes spicy this year, it's not because of pollen. It's a mix-up or a mislabeled plant. Where it really matters is when you save seeds. The seeds from that cross-pollinated pepper will grow into a hybrid. That means next season you might get peppers that are part bell, part jalapeno, or something totally new. This is either a fun surprise or a frustrating mystery depending on your goals. Which peppers can cross-pollinate? Now, not all peppers cross the same way. Peppers belong to different species in the capsicum family. Here are the big ones: Capsicum annuum. This includes bell peppers, jalapenos, cayennes, and poblanos. These cross easily with each other. Capsicum chinense. Think habaneros and ghost peppers. Capsicum baccatum, frutescens, and pubescens. Less likely to cross with annuum, but not impossible with help. Crosses mostly happen within the same species, especially annuum. So if you're growing a cayenne next to a bell, those seeds might produce spicy bells next season. So how do you stop this from happening? If you're saving seeds and want them to stay true, here are your best options. 1. Isolation distance. Keep different varieties at least 150 to 500 feet apart if possible. For home gardens, this can be tough. 2. Physical barriers. Use insect netting, cages, or isolation tents over plants while they flower. You can remove them once fruit sets. 3. Stagger bloom times. Plant early and late bloomers to avoid overlapping flower periods. 4. Hand pollination. You can manually pollinate flowers by brushing them with a small paintbrush and then cover them with mesh bags to prevent outside pollen from getting in. The more precautions you take, the more control you'll have over your future pepper plants. Now, if you're not saving seeds, or if you're the experimental type, you might want to let nature take its course. Crossed peppers can be unpredictable, in a fun way. You might grow a pepper that looks like a jalapeno, tastes like a bell, and has the heat of a habanero. Or you could end up with something unique in shape, color, or flavor. Keep in mind, hybrids aren't stable. You'll need to grow them for a few generations to stabilize traits. Still, it's how all new pepper varieties are born, by curious growers like you. So to sum it up, cross-pollination won't change this season's fruit, only the seeds. If you're saving seeds, take steps to isolate varieties. If you like surprises, let them cross and enjoy the genetic roulette. Whether you're a purist or a pepper gambler, knowing how pollination works helps you grow smarter, save better seeds, and maybe even create your own signature variety. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you've ever grown a mystery pepper. And hey, check the description below for links to mesh bags, seed-saving kits, and some of our favorite pepper seeds to try. Happy growing, and may your peppers always be delicious, whether sweet or spicy.